Hello guys, my name is Micha and you are watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial in which I will demonstrate how to apply frequency masking trick to your drum elements. You probably experience situations where your mix sounds like a war of competing sounds, resulting in a muddy and amateur sounding track. One reason for this might be a phenomenon known as frequency masking, in which a higher amplitude frequency masks a lower amplitude frequency. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to avoid this by applying the frequency masking trick. Let's take a look at the SoundBridge project in front of us and hear the full mix before processing drum elements. As you can see, I have made two separate group channels, one called drums mid and other drums high. Let's listen this again, but this time just the kick and the bass line and the groups with the drums mid and drums high. From this, we can hear that the snare drum seems to be less prominent than the other elements of the rhythm section. To fix this, on the drum mid group channel effect track, I have placed an instance of the FabFilter Pro Q3 plugin and emphasized the most prominent peaks of the frequency spectrum. After that, I simply duplicated the FabFilter Pro Q3 instance on the drum high channel effect track, but this time I did the opposite, attenuating the same peaks. This created significantly more space in the mix for the snare drum. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.